Morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, April 7th. Hey, we got a quiet front here today, so the only news we got is a pretty minor one, job openings for the month of February. So back in January, we had only 5 million jobs openings, and for the month of February, it increased 100,000 to 5.1 million. Stock market's up. It's taking its cue mostly from the corporates and corporate news out there, and there's talk about some M&As going on, like FedEx acquiring a logistics company and such. Oil prices kind of continued upwards. Stock market rebounded a bit later in the day yesterday as well, with the increase of energy stocks doing well. So oil increased up to like 52, and today's up about $53 per barrel on there. So stock market is taking its cue from those items there. Also, take note from the Fed members like Dudley yesterday, taking that when anticipation as to when those rate hikes may happen. They're going to be data dependent, and they're kind of figuring that may happen towards later in the year, not sooner. And Coca Lakota, who's a non-voting member out of Minneapolis, also a Fed member but non-voting member this year, also is kind of indicating that he doesn't think that it should happen until very dovish comments, by the way, by maybe mid 2016. So again, he's not a voting member this year, but there are indicators that maybe they will raise rates. But again, it would be dependent on what data comes out, and if they view a trend upwards on like jobs as well as inflation, then they might start raising rates if they anticipate it over a term. Bond market, it pulled back a little bit today as a result from money pulling out going into the stock market. So it came down a little bit. So we got a little pricing for the worst today. A little bit of a change in rates today. So not a huge drop or anything like that, but it's just pricing is a little bit worse today. All right, folks. Hey, you guys have a wonderful day. Prepare tomorrow. Remember, we got the FOMC meetings minutes coming up tomorrow. So that could be create a little volatility as to give them a little bit more insight as to what each Fed member was thinking when they cast their vote as to who's saying what and such going forward, to give them more clues as to when they may raise interest rates. All right. You guys have a wonderful day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care.